To prepare capsicum bajji, you will need 1 large capsicum, wash it and then slice the capsicum as shown in video. For garnishing, you will need finely chopped onion and coriander, finely grated carrot and lemon. To make the batter for bajji, add a cup of gram flour to a bowl. Then add quarter cup of rice flour to the same bowl. Rice flour is added to make sure that the bajjis are crispy. Then add quarter tablespoon of baking soda. As per your taste, add the red chili powder and salt. Once all the ingredients have been added, give it a good mix and make sure everything is mixed thoroughly. Slowly keep adding water and make a thick batter with no lumps in it. Once the batter is ready, you could taste a bit, and if needed, you can adjust the salt and red chili powder as needed. Heat oil in a pan and then cover these capsicum with the batter fully and then put them in the boiling oil. Fry the bajjis in the oil until they turn golden brown. Once the bajjis have been fried well, you can take them out into a plate. Fry all the capsicum pieces in the similar fashion. Once all the capsicums have been fried, you can cut them into desired shape and place it in a plate. Sprinkle some salt on top of it and then the red chili powder. After this, garnish them with carrots, onion, chopped coriander and sprinkle some lemon juice on top. Mouth-watering capsicum bajjis are now ready to eat. If you've liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.